Okay, the last point we have is placements. And normally you have here advantage plus placements. So Facebook has a lot of other platforms or features like Instagram, like the Facebook audience network, so other platforms where they run your ads. If you don't want all of that platforms, and I normally don't like it, I click on manually, and here I can decide on devices, mobile and desktop. Since nearly nobody uses Instagram, for example, on desktop, it doesn't really matter. But if you have a format that is only good for mobile, or if you only have a product that people should view ads on mobile, you can simply delete desktop here. Which, of course, if you maybe delete mobile, it decreases your audience. If you delete desktop, it isn't that much of a difference. More importantly, we have platforms. As I said, Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and Audience Network. I, for example, don't like the Audience Network. So I simply tell Facebook, no, here I don't want my ads to be seen. And Facebook Messenger neither. This is also something that doesn't perform too good because whoever uses that as a communication tool and don't want to have any ads here. You can also make this more precise because down here you have the placements for categories. Feed, for example, which is Facebook feed, Instagram feed, and by hovering over that, you always see on the right side a little preview. Instagram, it would look like this, Facebook like this, Facebook Marketplace like this, video feeds, a right column, it looks like this, explore, and so on. Also, we have inbox here. Messenger inbox would look like this. As I said, don't like it. Next category, Instagram stories, Facebook stories, Instagram reels, Facebook reels. Then we have in-stream ads for videos and reels. Also okay. Search results for Facebook only. Messenger, I have deactivated that. And also apps and sites, which is the audience network, native banner, and blah, blah, blah. You can simply also choose that. I don't need it. I don't like it. Okay. But that is only my own preference. Okay. Now we have everything set. We see estimated daily results 2.2 to 6.3. Link clicks 38 to 113. Also okay. Audience about 4 million. That is also okay. Of course, Austria, Germany is a smaller market than US. So for this market, it is okay. If you only have a target audience of, 100,000, it might be hard to run that ad very good for Facebook. On the other hand, if your audience is too big, like 100 million people, you should think about narrowing that audience down by adding more interests, using this and or except function, and so on and so on. We are finished here. So we can click on next at the bottom right. And now we are on tab number 3, which is already the ad level. And here it's all about the videos, pictures, titles, headlines, and descriptions. So here is what people then actually see in the end.